it's me, Alice the Inventor Girl, and today I'm going to show you how to make a little leaf pouch. So ivy and maple leaves will do good for this, and they're best if they're like freshly picked. So you're going to need leaves, of course, a wood tray, some Mod Podge, a paintbrush, and a stapler. Whoops! Alright, let's work on this. So you're going to fold the bottom. So you're going to take your leaf and fold the bottom part up. Okay, then you're going to fold the side part in, just like that. Ta-da! So now you've got like this little folder, and then you're going to take the stapler and staple the bottom. Whoopsie daisy. So funny. So so staple it together, and ta-da, little folder. Whoops! But I think I'm gonna also staple the top. Go like that and staple. Ta-da! A little pouch. Now we're going to paint it with Mod Podge. Open up a Mod Podge and then paint it on. Got it? Got it. Okay, now that the Mod Podge is dry, we are ready for the next step. Oh, and I also Mod Podge the inside of it. So if you do that, that will help it. Okay, now time for the next step. We're going to take we're going to take 2 bay leaves and whip them up and then put them inside. And if you don't have bay leaves in your yard, that's okay. Basically, any soft leaf will work. So I'm going to put them inside it just to like sort of cushion it. And then, there, yeah. And you can put anything in it as long as it fits. So yeah, that's how you make an ivy kangaroo pouch. Well, at least that's what I'm going to call it. So yeah, bye!